Guys, it's your boy John. We're back again here with another video. We got the Decider box. Now, I've been posting some teasers on the Forerunner edition. So I know the Forerunner from 2010 to all the way to 2020. I can't believe Toyota has kept it all the same. But this is for the Forerunner. So let's unbox this bad boy. Ooh, again with the good foam. All the time we have the good foam. Very nice. Check this out. Let's get this off the ground. And then let's see what else is inside the box. We have various harnesses, which I'll go through in a bit. We have more harnesses and adapters. And of course we have the user manual and quality control. Very nice. Now let's take a look at the unit itself. So the cutouts they usually do on these are actually really exact. You can see. So it just cradles this bad boy really well. Oh my gosh, this thing is wide. I mean, this is my hand. So that's nuts. Bam, look at this. The screen is absolutely massive. The knobs, you can tell, are huge as well, so it's good if you wear gloves or something like that. And it has this nice accent. It's like a black finish right here. It's actually not rubber, but it does have these little grates on it, so it makes it extra grippy. Then you got these touch sensitive buttons. Looking at the back, these are where you're gonna hook up your existing vents. So your AC vents goes right here, your hazard button right there. Moving on towards, you have a micro SD slot, very nice, with these bad boys connections in here, the main power and the accessories and stuff like that. And you also have an HDMI out for audio and so forth, GPS antenna, and then we have another antenna for radio signals. Now just holding this feels really solid, and I did an unboxing on that $1,000 Pioneer unit. This feels way more solid, and the packaging is better. So kudos to the Decider. And it could be the front element glass, but this thing has a lot of weight to it. Moving on to the harness, we have the 28 pin right here, and you can see it carries the steering wheel controls and even camera functionality. So you have reverse camera, camera in, camera in. So you'll probably get reverse camera. We're gonna have to do the install on this to see. Sometimes over the years, Toyota changes it off the 28 pin. And then we have another pin layout right here, which is also another camera VIN out, just in case it uses this one. So it's cool how they give you options just in case it's in one or the other. Then we have another steering wheel harness, just in case the steering wheel is on this one. And of course you have your power, you're gonna have audio, go through this, your front speakers, and then you have your rear speaker audios right here on the 8 pin. So you have your 10 pin, 8 pin, 28 pin, and so forth. What's nice is they also include the radio antenna. Most head units, you have to buy that separately. And check this out, it even comes with a USB adapter, so you can use your existing USB in your car. Usually this could be found in the glove box or right under the head unit itself, like in the little cubby. This is usually like 15-20 bucks. It's cool that it has all this stuff included, all these harnesses, everything pre-wired. This is worth a lot, and it's included, so that's super dope. And on top of that, you have CAN bus. So we're gonna have to see what this does, but usually the car sends some kind of digital CAN bus information over, and it will tell if your doors are open or your trunk is open. Sometimes even displaying climate, mileage, MPG, and anything that your car usually would show in your head unit, it will show on this head unit now, which is really cool. So really nice that we have a CAN bus controller. And of course we have these accessories right here. I'm not gonna go over all of them, but let's just talk about it. The GPS antennas right there. We have 3 USBs right here, 1, 2, 3. So now your car will have 3 additional USBs, Wi-Fi antenna, microphone, and then you have all your subwoofer outs and stuff like that. So that's really neat right there. But yeah, this is the first look unboxing of this massive head unit. Now this is the site told me this is the first of its kind. There's like another version, but it's a different shell that's not as good as this one. This is a 10-inch screen and super wide with Apple CarPlay and all that stuff. So I can barely even hold this with one hand because there's so much weight to it. But yeah, check it out. Go over to the back. Jeez. If you guys were looking to purchase this bad boy right here, I'll put a link in the description down below. It's from Amazon, so you have that guarantee from Amazon. And I'll also link these other links too if you want to buy it from a different source than Amazon. Links down below. Also, just comment, stuff like that. Don't forget to smash that like button, it helps out a lot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.